Hi, I'm Dr. George Sheely, and today I want to talk with you about Factor IV weight control and how it combats eating disorders. Eating disorders are becoming more prevalent in our society. First of all, women want trim, healthy bodies to accentuate feminine beauty. And many young women engage in eating disorders to stay slim and trim. Now, the eating disorders are bulimia, anorexia, restrictive diets, vegetarian diets, and starvation strategies, such as skipping meals or starvation strategies that are practiced by professional models. Eating disorders lead to protein deficiency. Protein deficiency actually harms the body. Number one, it breaks down muscle tissue. Number two, it leads to poor muscle tone and body definition. Number three, it activates metabolic pathways to store fat. And number four, it leads to food cravings, which then cause hunger attacks, famished states, and eating binges. But wait, there's more. Protein deficiency also harms the brain, causing 1. Sluggish behavior and poor brain function, anxiety reactions and panic attacks, uncontrolled mood swings with anger, rage, and aggression, and depression, loss of self-esteem, and even suicide tendencies. Factor IV weight control is the ideal product to prevent and treat all of these eating disorders because power amino acids minimize body fat, rebuild body health, and enhance body shape. Now, the top 4 ways that Factor IV weight control works are as follows. It stimulates weight loss and sustained weight control. It suppresses appetite, thereby blocking hunger attacks, food cravings, and eating binges. It removes your sweet tooth that leads to the yo-yo metabolism of carbohydrate intake, and it enhances feelings of comfort, satisfaction, and well-being. And let me give you 4 more reasons. Factor IV weight control converts the catabolic reactions of dieting to the anabolic processes of health. It stimulates pep, energy, activity, stamina, endurance, and performance. It enhances body shape and tone without increasing body fat. And it establishes the trim, athletic, and sexy bodies that young women desire. So the conclusion is that Factor IV weight control with power amino acids is truly powerful because it combats eating disorders, normalizes body weight, and revitalizes youth. Order now online at www.factor4health.com or call us at 888-870-3438 and tell them that the good doctor sent you.